Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a video on your YouTube homepage. First, open YouTube on your computer or phone. Then sign into your account. Make sure you are logging in. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right. After that, go to YouTube Studio. This is where you manage your channel. In YouTube Studio, click on Customization. Then choose Layout. Now, you will see Home tab or Featured Video section. Click on Add Section or Add Featured Video. Select the video you want to show on your homepage. You can choose video or upload from your channel. Finally, click Publish or Save. Now, go back to your channel homepage and you will see your video. Thank you for watching.